You're with Grass Pepper. We're down the esplanade and we're heading north this time instead of going south. It's the grand final day, Saturday, for the AFL in Geelong. Hopefully you'll win today. It's the 27th, Saturday 27th, and it's 21 degrees. And it's 8:51. Let's see, plenty of activity. The birds are out. They're all excited for today. It's going to be an awesome day.
I saw about Anytime Fitness. He's on Instagram now. I'm not affected by it.
Yeah.
Running past this lovely skateboard park or plaza, which I put on other videos.
What I think, more worrying about those band like Newcastle, because they're kind of they're young, they missed out on all the troubles. Yeah, and it's almost like they want to be a part of that, and they wear all the kind of balaclavas and use all the symbolism of the kind of the stuff that went on around. It's like, let it lie, man. You've got some peace now. Yep. Something you've got to realise that, lead aside.
As you can see, it's nice and calm this time of the morning. But still a little bit of hustle and bustle.
What's your pup name? Oh, that's my stuff? And that's my dog. I got a little stuffy. He's only, 9 months now. I got a little stuffy.
The weather in New Zealand is always.
We watched a movie on Cairns yesterday from 1965. How the hospitals changed. So all of the coloured area with the coloured tiles and everything wasn't here in 1965. But now the hospital's nearly tripled in size.
feels his pockets as best he can.
Shows you which way you shouldn't be riding along the path. This is the problem, they're not cleaning up their mess. So many bins and they just leave it there.
So I do use the word arrested quite loosely.
So I think they need to learn how to put the rubbish in the bin. It's quite close. And people putting their dog doo-doo in the green bag and leaving it there defeats the purpose. Heaps of birds floated around. Again, someone else who can't read signs. See how far we've walked. Well, there's lots of bins around here, so there's no need to leave your rubbish laying around where someone else has to come pick it up for you. I'm Grace Pepper, and thank you for joining. Wait for my next video.